Hi there. Some very impactful weather is expected during the weekend across Scotland as Storm Bert arrives, bumping into cold air and leading to the risk of significant snowfall in many places. Bert is on its way from the Atlantic and contains very mild air, but also wet and windy weather. Now, with cold air in place across Scotland, as well as widespread lying snow and sub-zero temperatures overnight, we can expect a real wintry mix. Initially, disruptive snow, followed by a rapid thaw, as well as disruptive rain and wind. And it's really at dawn on Saturday that things kick off. After a cold night with temperatures dipping to -3 or -4 Celsius, temperatures will rise slightly by the end of the night as a cloud starts to move in and the wind picks up. These are the temperatures at around dawn. But it will be cold enough widely for the rain to turn to snow. That is away from the west coast where it will be mainly rain. But inland and especially over hills, we'll see significant snow building up very quickly through the morning, 2 to 4 hours of heavy snow. And at lower levels, 5 centimetres widely, perhaps up to 10 centimetres for the likes of the central belt, even for Edinburgh, especially higher parts to the south of Edinburgh, but more widely over hills above 150, 200 metres. You could expect 20 or even up to 40 centimetres to build up very quickly during Saturday morning. And that, combined with strengthening winds, will lead to treacherous conditions for travelling. We do advise that people assess travel plans and don't take unnecessary risks because, well, it is clearing through and the worst of the snowfall will be during the morning. But as milder air arrives, another hazard comes along, and that is the rapid thaw along with some heavy rain and strong winds. And so a multitude of hazards throughout Saturday as Storm Bert moves in. The winds reaching gale force, particularly gusty out towards western parts during the early part of the day, and then the north and northwest by the end of Saturday, 60 or even 70 mile-per-hour gusts in places. All in all, a very unsettled day, a very wintry start, followed by that milder air moving in, although staying chilly across central and northern parts of Scotland. An amber warning in force for snow for higher parts of central Scotland, but do stay across the latest weather and warnings updates. You can find those on the Met Office website and app. Now, as we end Saturday, we've got rain falling out of the sky predominantly. It will be much milder, and that rain will be heavy in places and increasingly showery as we start off Sunday. Again, strong winds at times early on, and as well as early on, we've got another batch of showers and strong winds moving in by the end of the afternoon on Sunday. A very blustery day. Bright spells in between the showers, but not feeling very pleasant, even if temperatures are significantly higher, perhaps even reaching the teens across some southwestern parts. So a lot going on this weekend. You'll want to stay across the presented forecasts on our YouTube channels and also stay across all the information via the Met Office website and app. Bye-bye.